down and get under the feet. So big shout out to Uncle Phil. Hey up. Uncle Stephen. Oh, hello. Pretty much putting up with me and doing all the dirty work. So tonight we're going to be taking engines out and assessing damage. Well, cabs fell off. Bit of duct tape. Can't fix it with duct tape. Just use more duct tape. Never going to get up good with this camera in his face.
I think that's why we didn't put an Allison on. Actually. Is that? Oh, is it Thompson? Yeah, that's an Allison. Well, it's an early. Yeah, the feeling. You'll be at that level, won't you?
First bit of damage from engine fire. CV books had it. Oh dear.
I wonder if it would have been a good idea to take his new radiator out before we stab it.
Shall we?
It's a bit of twat, isn't it?
We just won't stab it.
Just don't stab it.
Well, I could sit on car and all engine baskets going up car.
Yes.
There you go, sir. There's some contact for you. Give me a ball.
Now the engine's out, it's time to take it apart and look what happened.
When your flywheel comes off, it will hit your head.
Keep the engines up front and now right down there. It's got to go through a bulkhead and everything.
Yeah.
Bad that, innit? Or in case you're leaning over it, working on it.
Well, maybe, I don't know. Yeah. They reckon it's going out of that aluminium case and take your head off.
Do you know what? I never knew that. Leave one there.
Yeah.
Do you want to nail it to do with it? These two here. That top one looks like it as well, doesn't it?
Oh, is it still catching it? Yeah.
Both of them. I'm not going to get in there, am I? Ah, right, okay. Seth, keep them back on. Just keep it. Right, we're just going to wrestle.
Let's wrestle it. No point out wood.
A few moments later.
See Dad open his wallet? Hey! Is there a reason? Wear and tear?
Well, yeah, because over time, it will wear your
Yeah, because you're not on a cushion of oil, are you?
It constantly takes up the slack. Over, do you know what I mean? So you don't, you're not...
We've got, that's what that cushion of oil does, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Stops the wear and tear.
when you're doing a race engine, you're rebuilding it every fucking...
What's wrong with it?
Shafted.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth. Dun, dun, dun. Oh. Oh,
Splash guard.
I've got a splash guard. Right.
What's that theory out of window? Oh, it's throwing a big hole out of it.
What's swaff, Seth? That was swaff.
Finger licking good. I'm losing all these bolts, aren't you?
It's alright, mate. Plenty more where they came from. Oh no, wait, they're different.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still not the moment of truth.
Engine cover. That's
Where's Big End? Did that fucking bounce out round track? Lost Big End, haven't we?
Is that what caused it?
where the fucking rest of Conrod.
Snapped comrades. But the thing is, where's the rest of it? Scunthorpe's track.
It's a mystery.
How that if that's broke, that should still be attached to that.
Oh, I'm with
So
you.
as it dropped these ARP bolts, that's come off, broke, and then it's snapped in half on its way out.
Wisdom.
Scuddy mud. Scuddy mud.